Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's practice will be a gentle yoga flow for anxiety. I invite you to join me down here on the mat, coming into easy pose. We're going to begin today's practice with a breathing exercise that's going to help calm your anxiety. We're going to do this by breathing only through the left nostril. When we do this, we tap in to our Ida nadi channel. This is responsible for our introspective, cooling, calming energy. And we can do this by plugging our right nostril and breathing in through the left and exhaling gently through the mouth. So taking your index finger, you're going to place it alongside, plugging your right nostril, and we'll begin. Deep breath in through the left nostril. One more time. And slowly release your right hand down. Begin to breathe through both nostrils, coming to land on your mat into this practice. We'll begin with some gentle neck circles. Inhaling, dropping your head back. Exhaling, chin to chest, roll across. Where it feels good, switch directions. And come through center. Let's take our hands down to our ankles. We're going to inhale, rock forward, open heart, open throat. Exhale, round. Feeling a gentle stretch in the back of your shoulders. come through center, scanning your body, relaxing your jaw, relaxing, releasing any tension held in your shoulders, relaxing, releasing the belly, the hips, thighs, knees, shins and calves, ankles and feet. Connecting with your sits bones on the mat, lengthen up through the spine. If you can hold your awareness at the crown of your head and the tip of your tailbone, feeling yourself fully supported. Let's take a nice deep breath in all the way to the belly here. And exhale out through the mouth. Wonderful. Let's make our way onto all fours and into puppy posture. Bringing your knees underneath your hip points, wrists underneath your shoulders. We're going to drop our elbows down where our hands were. And then from here, we walk our hands out, dropping our head down. Breathing here. Let's take 5 deep breaths. All right. Bringing your hands underneath your shoulders. Slowly begin to rise up. We're going to move our knees out as though we were coming into a child's pose. So knees come to the edge of your mat. And you're going to sink your hips just back between your legs. Sitting up nice and tall here in hero pose. Coming back into that awareness, the connection between your sits bones and the crown of your head, lengthening through the spine. Let's take 4 deep breaths here. Planting your hands down, lift your hips, bring your knees underneath you. Plant your palms down, tuck your toes, lift your hips up, downward facing dog. Let's take 3 deep breaths. Lifting your heels, bending your knees. Carve a line with your nose, look forward, and walk your feet towards your hands. Forward fold. Allow your chest to rest on your thighs. Clasp alternate elbows and relaxed down. Ragdoll a little left to right. Allow your hands to melt down, ground down through the soles of your feet. Let that be what propels you up all the way to standing. Coming into Tadasana, palms facing forward, feet hip distance apart. Land in this posture, relaxing your shoulders back and down, relaxing your hips. Allow your knees to relax and feel the connection of your feet on the mat. If it feels okay, closing your eyes here. And as we take 3 deep breaths, imagine the energy rising up and over your body as you inhale. And as you exhale, it moves back and down. All right, we're gonna move into Virasana, into tree pose. There's several different levels you can try. We'll start by grounding down our left foot on the mat and bringing our hands to the heart. First level is you can bring the sole of your foot to the inside of your ankle. As you ground down through your left foot, you push your right foot in to your left leg. Second level is you can bring the foot up. Again, pushing the right foot into the left leg. The third option, if you want to try, is to lift that right leg to the inseam of your thigh. You don't want the foot on the knee. Finding your level, pushing your palms together, pushing the foot into the leg, finding what is known as a drishti point, a non-moving point that you can focus on to help you balance. And it's totally okay if you fall. And if you need to use a wall for support, that's totally fine too. Finding your posture. Let's take 4 deep breaths. Wonderful. We're going to take our right foot, place it down on the mat. I like to just shake my hips a little bit. And we'll come over to the other side. I invite you to get curious here. Our sides do not always show up the same. When you find your level, find that drishti point, and let's take 3 deep breaths. Amazing work. All right, let that left leg come down. Shake the hips a little bit. We're going to come to the front of our mat. Inhale, hands go down to come up, palms together. Slice all the way down, forward fold. Inhale up, half lift. Exhale, plant your hands, step your feet back, take a high plank, drop your knees wide, big toes to touch, coming into child's pose. Resting here for 4 deep breaths. Bringing your hands underneath your shoulders, gently guide yourself up, coming back into easy pose. We're going to end our practice again with that cooling breath, tapping in to our Ida Nadi channel, helping to calm your nervous system and relax and find peace. So we'll take our right index finger, we'll plug our right nostril, and we're just going to breathe through the left nostril, exhaling through the mouth. Closing your eyes if you feel comfortable to do so. One more deep breath in through the left nostril. As you exhale, release both hands down. Allowing the breath to become natural. And there you go. I really hope you've enjoyed this practice today. If you have and you would like to see more just like it, please subscribe, please like this video, and please share with a friend. Take sweet care. Bye.